Method. Few last minute connectors to get the brake lights working. I on the PDM, so we're good, ready to go. Drive this rat's nest home and clean her up. You see Juan is here. Here we go. We got miles per hour working now on the screen. It was just a setting on the GPS, and we got brake lights hooked up. We've got turn signals. She made it home. Ready to go in here and get some work done. So we'll see. Dash has got to go in, but I got a lot of wiring first. Nice little before. All right, we had I switched the fuel pumps to go all the way to the back on a DTP2 because originally had them going through there, so they were split with the start. I got the start, got that split loom, or that branch split, so it's routed properly. The start's going down here to the starter trigger. So a couple more lights here, and then we're gonna have no more rat's nest, and then we can actually get this thing going, what's going to the front and what's going to the back. Some of the stuff changed after Keith loomed it, so some of these connectors need to be reworked, but it's not a big deal. Just go through it one by one and get it all going, and then we'll all that stuff's for the second PDM, and there's some spares in there too, so it's going to clean up really nice, really easy, kind of day one here. So I just wanted to give you the updates. All this stuff is temporary because it's a dash, stuff that runs off the dash, but the siren, that's going to be a tricky one. It's got a bunch of wires, but again, that's chassis mounted, so it won't come in and out with the dash. So it's starting to look like it makes sense. Just need the routing, and then I'll depin everything and loom it together once I got everything worked out. A lot easier to work with the actual truck here. It's night and day. All right, a little more chaos. I've almost gotten my little temporary switch accessory loom done. I've just gotta put one more on the MSD wake up box, and then we will be ready to go. I got connectors on everything so we can do proper routing, and then make little sub looms to get it fixed. All right, I'll check back in a second with you as I get this cleaned up. It's getting there. It's almost done for today. Might look a little bit crazy, but trust me, it is progress. Everything's getting routed the way it needs to go. Got some connectors in place to remove and change it all around. So the AM screen is working flawlessly now. We had a little issue with I had the wrong CAN speed on the bus, CAN 1, and the advantage was we flipped it to CAN 2 and changed that to 500 baud, and this vehicle dynamics module, which does the GPS tracking and everything, works on that. So we plugged that into CAN 2 into here. It's got CAN 1 and CAN 2 right on the screen. She's home in the garage. The turn signals are on backwards in the rear, but that's easy. We gotta rewire them anyway. So pretty good day. Happy to get it home. Definitely happy to tear into this wiring, clean it up. It's gonna be pretty easy without everything being here. No more trips back and forth. So it's pretty much just trim, plug and play, and then heat shrink everything once we get it working. The only issue that I'm having now is the tachometer. So we'll see. And there was a weird sound in the fuel pressure regulator. I think I gotta check that. Maybe the filters are clogged because it wasn't getting good pressure. But that's normal. It's been sitting. So good night, little burro. I'll post another video for you guys tomorrow. So thanks for watching these. I'm gonna document this as best as I can. I know maybe I'll get the big camera out tomorrow and we'll do like a opening for the series, but that's today. So burro out.